The best part of riding a bike is taking a corner. At least that's what it is for me. It might be different for you. Now let's focus on taking a corner, especially on hilly roads, all these curvy areas or valleys where there might be a blind corners where you can't see upcoming traffic or vehicles. Let's focus on how to overtake or just take the corner in general. Taking a corner is easy, right? Well, it can turn into a disaster or dangerous situation if you don't know the basic rules or how it's done. During the corner, make sure never to switch lane or go to oncoming lane just because it's the fastest route or you wanna go the fastest like MotoGP rider. It is cool, but it is certainly dangerous. I don't know about the corner, but it is the fastest way to take you to hell, heaven, or hospital. In case of slow moving vehicle ahead of you, make sure to overtake it at least before 50 to 100 meters prior to the corner or after the corner. Never switch lanes during corner entry or exit or during the corner. I mean, except if you are in Mexico, because come on, they have weird rules. And braking in these corners is very crucial. Brake 50 to 100 meters before the corner to slow it down and then take the corner wide open just in case if the oncoming driver makes a mistake, you'll have clear view or vision and you can take necessary precautions if needed. If you really want to go for tight turns, hitting the apex and making the fastest corners of all your friends, I insist you go to the track and experience the whole new world out there. Drive safe, take care and subscribe.